Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. I would like to congratulate 14th August, Independence Day of Pakistan and my Pakistani brothers and sisters. Pakistan means a lot for Turkey and for Turkish people. And in near future, I'm sure that Turkey and Pakistan together will play global roles and missions to bring peace and security to their regions and to the world. And also we are always standing with Pakistan. We are always standing with Kashmir cause of Muslim world. And I wish peace and prosperity for Pakistan and for the future of Pakistan. Chino Arab Hamara, Hindustan Hamara, Musulman hai hum, Watan hai Sare Jaha Hamara. Pakistan Zindabad, Türkiye Zindabad, Pakistan Türkiye Dosti Zindabad.